Managing the crisis well was the condition to prepare to emerge from it stronger, more agile and more innovative than ever to offset the economic impact that will leave a lasting mark on the company. In China, the market is recovering quite vigorously, especially in the sectors that suffered less during the crisis. Before the crisis, ACOME invested heavily in China to develop and produce its new product range for electric vehicles and connected vehicles. Our production equipment is operational and our development teams are once again on the job with a reinforced determination. In Europe, a lot of uncertainties remain about the recovery and the government measures that will accompany. However, many manufacturers and OEMs retained activities during the crisis on strategic projects related to hybrid and new energy vehicles. At ACOME, we have also kept our teams involved in this project as a priority.
The automotive industry was, before the COVID-19 crisis, already a sector in deep mutation with two major technological transformations, the electrification and the automation of vehicles. These dynamics were already engaged before the health crisis. Manufacturers face new technical challenges that affect the technical definition of cables produced by ACOME. The challenge for ACOME is twofold. On the one hand, developing power cables that integrate with the constraints of new electric and hybrid vehicles and make it possible, for example, to reduce vehicle charging time. And on the other hand, to design cables and solutions that allow high-speed data transmission in connected and autonomous vehicles with a degree of integration and reliability exacerbated. It is thanks to our capacity for innovation that ACOME can meet these new requirements and produce new range of high-tech cables. To do this, partnerships are increased with manufacturers and equipment manufacturers who seek the group's knowledge on the dimensioning of wiring architectures and the adaptation of the interface of the various components which are taken into account in the production of the wiring harnesses. Security requirements reinforce the system approach. At the heart of this crisis, there is of course the opportunity to continue to innovate on the major technological challenges of the automobile and mobility. During this confinement period, ACOME's development and innovation team remain active, particularly in the area of power cables to strengthen the development of new energy vehicles.